Okay, so today's experiment is, will a Saab airbag make a toaster oven even safer? You know, say airbags make stuff safer, and Saab is some of the safest airbags, or some of the safest cars, I should say, out there. I'm thinking we're gonna put it in this way, try to get the thing to fly, and it fits like a glove. So, what's gonna happen? Stay tuned. Okay, I got it all wired up. I think we're pretty much all ready. I'm just gonna make sure my contacts didn't come loose, and maybe we can make some Swedish meatballs. Good to go, I think. All right, battery's all ready. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That's what we like to see. Yeah. And I almost got taken out by a piece of glass. Oh my god. Well, I'm surprised it didn't do more damage.
It'll probably still work.
It's pretty hot. I'll try spitting on it. See that? Don't ever touch that. There you go. I think the airbag won. I don't know how much safer it is.
Should we see if it still works?
Let's plug it in. All right.
That's cool though.
Have a good night.